everyone, it's me, Leia Perty, and welcome back to my crafty world. Well, anyway, in today's video, I am going to do an unboxing. This is actually my very first unboxing, and I am so excited. My husband bought me a yarn from Herrschners last week, and finally it arrived today. So let's do unbox. Anyway, oops, I forgot to put on my camera. There you go. So that's my box, and let's open this. I am so excited, but I would like to thank my husband first. Thank you so much, my love, for purchasing this for me. I am so happy they already arrived, and I hope you're home so that you can see my excitement. Oh, they gave me a magazine. Oh, this is a pamphlet. I always have a magazine, a brochure from them every month. So, but this is for the spring catalog. So this is how it looks like here. But anyway, let's forget about this first because I am so excited with my new yarns. And oops, sorry, I kicked my tripod. And let's see, I have my invoice here. Here's my invoice. And that's where it came from, Herrschners. And let's see, I have a red heart wrap rainbow, and let's see, red heart yarn rainbow. Here we go. This is my first yarn, and it says I have 5 of them. See, I have 5. So I have 5 of these one. Let's see. So I have, oops, here we go. There's the second one. And what's these? Oh, this is confetti. Oh, here we go. Okay, let me put that there. Here we go. Here is the other ones. So that's my rainbow color, and I really like how the color looks. This is actually my first time purchasing this type of yarn from Red Heart yarn, because I always use the bulky yarn they have. Anyway, let's move on. That's my first color of yarn. Oops, my hands all over the world. Okay, the next one color is Red Heart. It's a wrap sprinkles, and that's the confetti. I think this is the confetti here, and I have 4 of these one. Okay, let's put this here already because I have a separated one. Okay. Oh, it says plum pudding. Do I have plum pudding? Oh, yeah, I have plum pudding. So this is the plum pudding here. And I have 4. So that's not the confetti. Okay, so this is my plum pudding. It explains because the color is so cute. It's so different. So that's my plum pudding. And I think this is the confetti. Yeah, I've already looked at it, and it says confetti here. Come on now. See, so beautiful. The color is almost the same with this one, but if you can see the difference here, this one has blue colors and orange. more vivid orange, but this one just a pale orange. But I also recognize that it has the color plum here too. See here the color here. You see the color purple here. It looks like this one, so it's so nice. There's a contrast there. Anyway, let's move on. So those are my it's a wrap red heart yarn. And let's see, I have here 3 different types of Lion brand Coboo yarn, and these are the yarn here. So I am not going to remove this here because we've already looked at it. And let's see here, I have the pink one. So this is the pink, and how many do I get here? I have 4 of these. So let's see, yeah, I have 4, and here's the other one. I have 3 there, and there's the 4th one. It's a pink color. Where's the color? Here. That's a pink color, and that's how nice the color is. I am actually using I'm already using the other yarn like this, and I mean I am using some of the yarn that I bought in Walmart few weeks ago, and it's so soft. I really like it. That's why this is the additional for that one, and I already have a project for these, but you know, I'm so excited to start my project. Anyway, let's move on. The next color is lilac. So here's the lilac, and I also have 4 of these lilac. Here, the color lilac. It's kind of purple. It's purple color. See, that's lilac color, and look how beautiful that is. I'm so excited for this one. Okay, let's see, the next color is, the last one is beige. So this is the color that I am using right now with my projects, ongoing project, and this is color beige, and I am so excited for that to get done. Well, if you would like to see the project that's going on, let me just pause the video and I'm gonna get it. All right, BRB. All right, so here I am, and this is the color beige yarn that I am using, and this is the beige, this kind. See, that's the color I am using. But this one here is almost done. I think I am going to use this for the edging. That the first skein of my yarn there, because I need to put edging here. But anyway, this is a beach wrap. Am I right? Yeah, it's called beach wrap. So if you are using a swimsuit and you want to cover your body, oh, I think it's not beach wrap, it's, anyway, I'm just gonna write down later because I forgot how it called. But it's a wrap for your body, that way you don't get too cold. But here it's not finished yet. See, I'm out of yarn here. But anyway, since I have this yarn already, it's already arrived, so I'm going to use it. And yes, I'm so excited for my new yarn to use it. And thank you so much everyone for watching my video, and I am so thankful that you're always there to support my video. And what else? Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.